This is the running site of our full servo baby pull-up pants production line. The machine's stable operating speed is 600 pieces per minute. Multiple raw materials are unwound simultaneously. Equipped with an automatic web guiding system to ensure alignment and stability at high speed. The automatic splicing system keeps supply stable and production non-stop. High-speed lamination and intelligent embossing make the product soft and breathable. Wood pulp and sap are evenly layered to form a strong absorbent core, ensuring fast fluid distribution and effective liquid lock. The full servo cutting system ensures precise dimensions and smooth edges. The two-piece structure with ergonomic design provides comfort and allows babies to move freely. The online inspection system monitors in real time and automatically rejects defective products, improving yield. SKU Machinery Intelligent Manufacturing for healthy growth.